Introducing Mermaid diagrams, now available on AIBots. You can now instantly generate professional visuals simply by describing what you need. You can generate mermaid diagrams on any bot created on AIBots, even the playground bot. Simply navigate to aibots.gov.sg/chats/playground. Let's start with the seating chart. Planning formal events or high-level discussions often means coordinating who sits where. You can simply prompt something like, create a class diagram with 4 classes labeled Class A, Class B, Class C, and Class D. Each class should contain 4 random names without any visibility indicators or data types. AIBots will arrange it visually, giving you a clean layout you can use for planning and approvals. Next, the flowchart. This is ideal for visualizing multi-step procedures or workflows, whether you're mapping approval paths, internal operations, or service handoffs. Say you're trying to improve how internal project proposals get reviewed and approved. Just prompt, generate a flowchart showing the review and approval workflow for internal project submissions. The resulting diagram clarifies responsibilities, decision points, and dependencies across teams, useful for both onboarding and process improvement. Now, the mind map. Suppose your team is managing hundreds of policy documents, circulars, or reference materials across different domains. You might prompt, create a mind map to organize internal knowledge resources by topic, owner, and last update date. AIBots will generate a structure where categories like finance, procurement, and operations branch out into subfolders, making knowledge management more intuitive and accessible. When you need to present data in a clean, digestible format, the pie chart is your go-to. Let's say you're preparing a briefing on how program funding is distributed across several key initiatives. Instead of listing the numbers in a table, just prompt, generate a pie chart showing the budget breakdown across digitalization, sustainability, and workforce upskilling programs. The result will provide a clear, proportional view that makes it easy to compare and communicate the data visually. The timeline diagram is perfect for mapping out the flow of an upcoming event, helping attendees know what to expect. For example, try prompting, generate a timeline for a community engagement session, showing the sequence of activities from registration to closing remarks. AIBots will produce a clear, time-based overview that can be shared ahead of the event to improve coordination and set expectations. You can even generate a diagram with the Meeting Notes Organizer bot. When you send your meeting notes, it will automatically compile, organize, and generate a diagram for you, all without any additional prompting. This is because the system prompt includes instructions to always generate a diagram at the end of the bot response. You can consider doing the same for your own bots too. Finally, the user journey diagram shows how someone experiences a service, whether through a digital platform, in-person process, or a mix of both. This is crucial when trying to improve service delivery and reduce friction. For example, suppose you're studying how a citizen applies for government assistance. Just prompt, create a user journey for someone applying for government support, from first contact to receiving assistance. The diagram will map out each step, what the user is doing, thinking, and encountering, helping you identify pain points, gaps, and opportunities to improve the overall experience. Before we wrap up, we are excited to share that the AIBots YouTube channel is now live and public. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing so you'll get notified whenever we release new tutorials and updates. See you in the next one!